Everything search finds files quickly because it indexes your drives. Here, S how to add files and folders to its index. Open Everything Search, click Tools, then choose Options. Go to the Indexes section to check your local drives. Your main Windows drive is usually indexed automatically. To add another location, open Folders under Indexes and click Add. Choose the folder, external drive, or network folder you want to search. Make sure the location stays connected, especially for external and network drives. After adding it, enable the folder in the list and click Apply. Everything will scan the location in the background, so yeah, give it a moment if it contains lots of files. Finally, search for a file from that folder to make sure it appears. If files are missing later, return to Options and check that the folder is still enabled. That's it. Add the locations you need, let everything index them, and your files will be ready to search.